Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. Today we will explore how to duplicate a Google prompt. So let's get started. Start by opening the Google prompt you want to duplicate. In the prompt editor, click on the three dots here located at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you will find the options to manage your prompt. From the menu, select Make a Copy. This action will create a duplicate of the prompt. If you wish to customize the copy, a new window will appear where you can rename the prompt and choose the folder to save it in. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.